Hello everyone, let me introduce one to you next. We have an intelligent electric called Limit, programmable very low frequency AC with stand voltage tester. So let me show you the panel of our equipment. This is one of our aviation plugs. An output. This is our AC 220 volts power supply. This is our grounding. Then here is our emergency stop. And the switch button of our equipment. And here is our printer. First, one output for one aerial plug on our device is connected to the input of the transformer. This is the high voltage output of our transformer. The high voltage output is connected to one of our subjects, and now our test subject is a capacitor. Be sure to ensure the reliable grounding of our equipment before operation. Grounding our equipment, the transformer is grounded, and then a grounding for our test sample. And here we go. Our emergency stop button is spinning upwards, and turn it on. This frequency. We can set one of our frequencies here. And the withstand pressure we set. The withstand voltage is adjusted up and down, and here is our settings. Limited viewership of our equipment is user protect. Then this frequency. We have 4 frequencies. And then the first 0.1 Hz corresponds to is generally used for cables within 1.5 kilometers. 0.05 Hz is generally suitable for cables within 1.5 to 3 kilometers. Then the 0.02 Hz is generally used for cables within 3 to 6 kilometers. This 0.01 Hz is generally suitable for cables over 6 kilometers. We can set one of our pressure resistance times here. Then our device is 80 kilowatts. We set it to 80 kilowatts. After the setup is completed, you can start the experiment. The equipment will automatically increase the voltage. After reaching the specified voltage, the equipment will withstand the voltage. After the test is completed, the device will automatically reduce the voltage. Then the device can print out our experimental data. This way, you can also see our historical data, and you can also print it. After the experiment is completed, we shut down. Discharge. After we shut down, take out our discharge rod. First, insert it into the hole below. This is broken. Repeat first. After blocking is complete, we insert it on top. Play it stretch. Okay, the experiment is done.